Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice quadratic equation. X to the power 4 minus 15x plus 14 is equal to 0. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start by adding 1 to both sides. X to the power 4 minus 15 times x plus 14. We add 1 to the left hand side is equal to 0. And we add 1 to the right hand side. Next, x to the power 4 minus 15 times x. This 14 plus 1 will become plus 15. And we move this 1 to the left hand side, this will become negative 1 is equal to 0. Now we make a group of this x to the power 4 and this negative 1. We make another group of this negative 15x plus 15 like this. X to the power 4 minus 1 minus 15 times x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now this x to the power 4 can be written as x squared whole squared minus this 1 can be written as 1 squared. From these two terms, in negative 15x plus 15, we can factor out negative 15. And in bracket left, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This x squared whole squared minus 1 squared will become x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1 minus 15 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, x squared plus 1 times, because this one is same as 1 squared, so by using this algebraic identity, this x squared minus 1 squared will become x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus 15 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression x minus 1 and this expression x minus 1 is common, so we factor out this x minus 1 and in bracket left this x squared plus 1 times x plus 1 minus 15. In bracket left, x squared plus 1 times x plus 1 minus 15 is equal to 0. Next, x minus 1 times, we multiply this x squared plus 1 by this x plus 1, so x squared times x will become x cubed, and x squared times 1 plus x squared, 1 time x plus x and 1 time 1 plus 1. This minus 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Next, x minus 1 times x cubed plus x squared plus x. This 1 minus 15 will become negative 14 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression x minus 1 is equal to 0 or this expression x cubed plus x squared plus x minus 14 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of x is equal to 1. This is the first value of x, this is the first solution of this equation. Now we solve this cubic equation. We write this x cubed plus x squared plus x minus this 14 can be written as 8 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, x cubed plus x squared plus x, negative times 8 negative 8, and negative times 4 will become negative 4, negative times 2 will become negative 2 is equal to 0. So we make a group of this x cubed and this negative 8. We make another group of this x squared and negative 4, and another group of x minus 2, like this, x cubed minus 8 plus x squared minus 4, and in the last x minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, x cubed, this negative 8 can be written as negative 2 cubed plus x squared minus this 4 can be written as 2 squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here we have difference of 2 cubes. So by using this algebraic identity, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This x cubed minus 2 cubed will become x minus 2 times x squared plus 2 times x plus 2 squared, or 4, plus by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This x squared minus 2 squared will become x plus 2 times x minus 2, and from these two terms x minus 2 we can factor out plus 1. In bracket left, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression x minus 2, this expression x minus 2, this x minus 2 is common, so we factor out this x minus 2, and in bracket left this x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus x plus 2 and this plus 1. In bracket left, x squared plus 2 times x plus 4 plus x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, x minus 2 times x squared, this 2x plus 1x will become plus 3 times x, and this 4 plus 2 plus 1 will become plus 7 is equal to 0. And from here, either this expression x minus 2 is equal to 0, or this expression x squared plus 3 times x plus 7 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of x is equal to 2. This is the second value of x, this is the second solution. Now this quadratic equation is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. According to quadratic formula, x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write 3 squared, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 7, divided by 2 times, in place of a we write 1. Next, x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus square root of, this is 3 squared is 9, negative 4 times 1 times 7, negative 28. Negative 28 plus 9 will become negative 19, divided by 2 times 1, 2. Next, x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus, this square root of negative 19 can be written as a square root of 19 times square root of negative 1, divided by 2. Next, x is equal to negative 3 plus minus root 19, and this square root of negative 1 will become I divided by 2. So from here we get other two values of x. x3 is equal to negative 3 plus root 19I over 2, and x4 is equal to negative 3 minus root 19I over 2. And first we found the value of x2 is equal to this 2. Value of x1 is equal to 1. So we have 4 solutions of this equation.